Welcome to my YouTube channel, Science Academy. Today I will teach you about a topic alkane. Alkane has formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkanes are also called saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated mean the hydrocarbon which are stable, that have single bond in their molecules, and they are much stable, they cannot easily broken. Some hydrocarbons have only single bonds and appear as a chain, which can be straight chain or can have branch. Hydrocarbon consist of carbon atom and also bounded to hydrogen atom. These hydrocarbons are called alkanes and these are also called saturated hydrocarbons. Alkanes have all molecules of alkanes have single bonds and they are bounded in a straight chain. All carbon are attached to each other in a chain and also they have branches. A single carbon atom have also attached with many 2 or 3 carbon atoms form chains. In hydrocarbons, basically two molecules are present, carbon and hydrogen atom. These are called alkanes. Each alkane has a characteristic. The name which are given to alkane are depend upon the number of carbon atom present in a molecules. For example, if a molecule has one carbon atom, now we study the nomenclature of alkanes. Hydrocarbon prefixes. If carbon atom has one molecule of carbon atom, if a molecule has one molecule of carbon atom, then it is called meth. Prefix is used as meth. If it has two carbon atom, the prefix used as eth. If carbon atom has three carbon molecules, then prop. For four, but. For five, pent. When 6 molecules are present, hex is used. When 7 molecules are present, hept is used. When 8, then oct. Then when 9, then non. When 10, it is dec. And so on. This name consists of a stem that indicates the number of carbon atom in the chain plus the ending in. When we use these prefixes meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec, these are only prefixes. We end the name by using the word ane in the end of the letter. For example, meth, ane, methane. Eth, ane, it is ethane. Prop, ane, it is propane. Butane, it is butane. And so on. Now we study that the stem meth means one carbon atom and so methane is an alkane with one carbon atom. Now we see the structure of methane, in which one carbon atom is present in the center and four hydrogen atoms are present in the corner, which are tetrahedrically arranged, and the bond angle between the two hydrogen atoms is 109.5. Now we study that similarly the stem eth means two carbon atoms, ethane in an alkane with two carbon atoms. When we discuss about the structure of ethane, there are two carbon atoms present and 6 hydrogen atoms are attached with the two carbon atoms, and now the bond angle in between them is about between two hydrogen is also less than 109.5. Continuing, the stem prop means 3 carbon atoms, so propane is an alkane with 3 carbon atoms. Now we study the structure of propane, in which 3 carbon atoms are present and hydrogens are attached to fulfill the valency of carbon atom. To fulfill the valency, it means that carbon has 4 bonds. One bond is restricted to one carbon atom if we see in the corner, and 3 bonds are fulfilled by a hydrogen atom. When we see the second carbon atom, the 2 bonds are connected with 2 carbon atoms and remaining 2 bonds are attached with hydrogen atoms. Then we see the third carbon atom, which one bond is used by one carbon atom and other 3 bonds are attached with hydrogen atom to fulfill the valency of hydrogen atom. Now we study the types of alkanes, in which this is one is straight chain alkane, second is branch chain alkane, and third is cyclic alkanes. In straight chain, the carbon atoms are arranged in a zigzag manner to stabilize the structure. We can write this structure in also in a straight chain form, but in this shape. The structure is indicate that the structure is stabilized by one up bond by one down bond. This we can study this in stereochoroform. Next is branched alkane. In branched alkane, carbon atoms are arranged with one carbon atom is arranged with two carbon atom and three carbon atom, and more than four are also used. Now in cyclic alkanes, three carbon atoms are arranged in cyclic form and four carbon atom 5, 6 and 7 in cycle form. These are stable structures, cyclic alkanes. Now my lecture is end. I hope you study almost many concepts about alkanes, and I hope you are able to clarify the topic of alkane. Thank you.